Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start this morning's webinar, the Australian dollar attempted to take on that challenge at 77.40 overnight, and as you can see, prints a 48 high like with previously a 47 high and sharply rejects. And as the market sells off, you can see the last 4 hours, further pressure is coming to the downside today, with the target holding towards 76.70. A break beneath there would give further exposure and look back towards the support at 75.95. Now a break beneath there would give further exposure and bring in the target around 74.80.90 and reassess from there. Well, the euro overnight takes the advantage of a weaker US dollar, and as you can see, the market is now pressuring this resistance around 108.2050. Currently trading at 13.15 at the moment. I do expect to see further supply to return from this region. As you can see, was rejected back in January and also rejected back in December. So it is viewed that the market should again reject this region. And with the dollar index not too far away from a base around 99 on the index, should see a reversal. This in turn would see the euro looking back to immediate target of 107.55, then lower down towards 107.0520. Now it is beneath this level that would give further exposure to the downside and look to an immediate target of 105.6570, to which I still prefer. And the indicators you can see here aren't too far away from being towards the top side of the range and eventually will shift back to a negative bias. Well, the dollar yen story is very much disappointing as the market challenges now the level of 111.60. With this price weakening now, could see further move towards a target of 110.60.80 and reassess from there. I do anticipate a rebound from that level and look back towards this 114.15 area, but do note, if we see a break beneath this level of 110.60, then the objective may come in now, beneath there at 107.40.80. That's right, looking down towards this region here. A very, very devastating blow to the bulls if we do see this level crumble. So keep an eye on that today. And also we have the BOJ to release its minutes on its monetary policy at 10:50. So keep an eye out on that. Well, sterling took the challenge to the upside after rebounding from the 123.38 low, and as you can see here now, just going through that downtrend at 124.80. At the moment, we're trading at 76.80, so we're right on that level. I do anticipate supply to return from there. However, a clear sustained break above that 125 handle would suggest that this level has been breached, and we could look up towards 126 as a short squeeze before any turnaround. What would shift the sentiment from a bullish to a bearish outlook is a move beneath 124.10.30. Now a break beneath there will give further exposure and reinstate the downside towards that 121 target. The gold story very much rallies on the back of a weaker US dollar, mainly on the back of the notes that was released last week to a more dovish sentiment than a hawkish from Janet Yellen. Now, as you can see here, the market is going a little bit higher at the moment towards that 46 level. But do note there is some divergence coming through here. So I expect to see the market retreat soon from that 1252 handle and look back towards the downside with the immediate support coming in around 1,238. Now a break beneath there will give further exposure towards 1,231 to 33, with a base now supportive at 1224. Only a move above this recent highs of 2-week highs around 1264 would give further evidence towards a bullish case, but at this stage I'm not seeing that. And to wrap up with silver, well, as you can see, the market is still contained by this 1745.50 resistance, and further above, resistance holds at 1780. I do expect to see the market soon to turn around since the rebound from this 1660 support and look back towards the downside with immediate level coming in at 1705. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a great day ahead.